In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a website in GoDaddy. If you already have a GoDaddy website and you want to make updates, this process is very simple once you know where to go. Whether you want to change text, swap images, remove sections, or add new content, GoDaddy gives you a built-in editor that makes those changes easy to manage. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. After you're logged in, look for the area labeled My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the services connected to your account, including your website tools. Go ahead and click My Products to continue. Once you're inside that section, find Website Plus Marketing. This is the website builder and management area for your GoDaddy site. When you locate it, click on it so you can access the settings and editing options for that website. Next, click Manage. This takes you to the main control area for your website, where you can view your site details and open the editor. From here, look for the option that says Edit Website and click it. Now you'll be inside the website editor. This is the place where you can add, remove, or modify the content on your website. For example, you can click into existing text to rewrite it, update headlines, or fix small mistakes. You can also change images, adjust sections, and customize the layout, depending on what your website needs. If you want to remove content, simply select the section or element you no longer want and use the available Delete or Remove option. If you want to add content, look for the tools in the editor that allow you to insert new sections, text blocks, photos, or other website elements. And if you just want to make changes, you can edit what's already there directly on the page. Take your time while working in the editor so you can see how each change affects the overall look of your site. It's a good idea to review each section carefully to make sure everything is clear, updated, and visually consistent. As you continue, feel free to explore the editor. GoDaddy's website tools are designed to be user-friendly, so clicking through the options can help you become more comfortable with the platform and discover more ways to improve your site. That's how to edit a website in GoDaddy. Once you're in the editor, you can keep refining your content and making updates whenever you need to.